Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see pending payments on Cash App. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your phone. Look for the green icon with a white $sign. Tap to launch the application. If you're already a user, sign in using your phone number or email address. If you're new to Cash App, you'll need to sign up and link a bank card first. Once you're on the home screen, direct your attention to the bottom right corner. You'll see a clock-shaped icon. This is the Activity tab. Tap on it to view all your recent transactions. Now, scroll through your activity until you find the section labeled Pending. This is where you'll see all payments that haven't cleared yet. Tap on any pending payment to view more details. You'll be able to see who sent it, the amount, and its current status. If the payment shows an Accept button, tap it to add the money to your Cash App balance. If you see Decline, you can choose to reject the payment. If you were the one who sent the payment, tap on it, then select the three dots in the corner. If the option is available, choose Cancel Payment to stop the transaction. To avoid delays with future payments, make sure to verify your Cash App account. And here's a pro tip. Turn on notifications in your profile settings so you're alerted instantly when a payment is pending. Having trouble? If you don't see a pending section, try updating your app. If you can't accept a payment, check your internet connection or make sure your account is fully verified. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.